Here's a platform to simplify request approvals in your organization. Create a request, add the necessary details and content. You can even copy content from Microsoft Word. Attach any supporting files. Don't worry, we make sure your files are stored securely. Click Create. In case you forgot something, you can always modify and save your request. Click Submit, and you are done. The system will send your request to the signatories in the hierarchy you created. Once your request is approved, you can download the fully approved request PDF. You will also get email notifications about the approved request. View pending requests that are sent to you by other requesters. You can approve or reject those requests from your dashboard or email. The administrator can manage access control right from the admin panel, add or delete users according to their email ID or Active Directory username.